In this video, I'm going to show you how to deduct area in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is select some area. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and go to the tools. I'm going to go to measure, and I'm going to select this area tool over here to actually measure area. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to measure out this OpenOffice 263. So I'm just going to quickly click over this to actually set over the area. And I'm assuming you already do have the area. If you want to do that, there we go, it's now measured, and I'm going to just make this line a bit thicker over here so we can see better. There we go. Now to actually deduct area, that's actually very simple. You want to go to tools up top, and then from here, as you can see, you want to go into measure, and you have two options, either the polygon cutout or the ellipse cutout. So if I go to polygon, for example here, I can go ahead and just select what I want to deduct. So for example, if I want to deduct this piece over here, I'm just going to go ahead and do it like this, and when you click on the very last connected here, there we go. As you can see, it's going to deduct the area. Now you can also just connect 3 points over here and then press the enter key, and it's going to automatically connect the fourth one as well, or the fifth, or whatever. And that's how you deduct. Now you could also go and use this ellipse cutout, and of course that's going to basically do a circular motion over here, like a circular object. Now it can be an ellipse, or if you hold down your shift key, it's going to be a perfect circle. So if I do it like this, for example, there we go, I now have successfully deducted. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.